I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, today is January 26th, 2019, and I figure it's about time that we do a 1-year update on the MidTower Deluxe. So back in late 2017, I upgraded MidTower Deluxe from the aging AMD FX 8120 8-core bulldozer processor and 16 gigs of DDR3 and Radeon HD 6750 graphics. Upgraded that to the Ryzen 7 1700X with 16 gigs of DDR4, along with a Radeon RX 550 graphics card, and also the solid state drive got swapped out from a 2.5 inch to 40 gig drive to the Western Digital WD Black PCIe NVMe solid state drive in the M.2 form factor. Also swapped out the water block I had in there, which was the HeatCure 3.0 LC. Swapped it out for the XSPC Raystorm Pro, and gave the water cooling system a nice little overhaul. Rerouted the tubing, well, actually replaced all the tubing, replaced the water pump, among other things. And recently I reconfigured the fans to where they are fed off the motherboards, that way I can vary the speed of them to quieten the machine down. You can't even hear the machine right now because of the wood stove fan in the background. So yeah, I must say this thing has been amazing as far as performance goes. And yeah, I forgot to turn the light on here. So yeah, that looks more familiar, I bet. So yeah, huge improvement in performance compared to what I used to have. I must say, there are times where I don't really even max this thing out very often. In case you've wondered, I have not tried overclocking this machine yet, though that day will come eventually, just not right now. Right now, this thing offers plenty enough performance for what I need it for. However, soon I may consider upgrading the RAM from 16 gigs to 32 gigs. That way I have plenty of RAM. Also, since DDR4 RAM prices are coming down, it's becoming more and more feasible. If it wasn't for DDR4 being so freaking expensive when I upgraded this machine, I probably would have done it right then and there, but of course, due to the high cost of RAM, I started out with just 16 gigs. So, as far as reliability goes, this thing has been outstanding. No issues at all. You know, with the water cooling system, things have been fine. I did have to flush out the coolant back in October of last year because the coolant that I put in there, I think it was from Primochill PC Ice. Yeah, called PC Ice coolant. Claimed to have all the antimicrobial agents already in the coolant, all the biocides, that good stuff, so that way you wouldn't have to worry about algae and other goodies growing in your coolant. Well, that wasn't exactly the case, apparently, because in October I discovered algae in the cooling system. Not good. So I had to flush this whole thing out, and I converted it over to automotive antifreeze. Actually, it's a 25 to 75% blend of antifreeze coolant to distilled water. I mixed half and half with distilled water and 50-50 pre-diluted green antifreeze coolant, and it's been running just fine ever since. As a matter of fact, the water pump seemed even happier with that than it did with the previous coolant. So definitely a nice improvement there. So yeah, I must say the thing has been pretty amazing. So overall, definitely happy with the machine now. So anyways, that's a brief update on the MidTower Deluxe in the first year since its previous major upgrade and overhaul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.